Not sure if you're allowed to park here.
Welcome back to a new Prelude video. On the last video, we did the pickup and we had a lot of awesome comments, a lot of funny comments, especially on Instagram, where everyone's talking smack about how slow this car is. But we're not gonna go into that right now. We're gonna be prepping a full review video on the car. But in the meantime, before we do that, new parts already came from AFD. They've been working this ahead of the game. Another reason why I got this car early, because they were like kind of presetting all the mods already. I'm like, all right, you know what, let's just do it. In front of you guys is our new upcoming springs, 1-inch sport lowering springs and 20mm spacers. So these should give it the car that OEM plus look. I have some wheel setup too, but I don't want to go too fast. I kind of want to enjoy the car step by step. By the way, this morning, Tony at Elite Wraps already aligned the car and got us the spec sheet. So let me show you guys the spec sheet. By the way, guys, the interior is so clean. Like, I don't want anyone sitting in this. It's so white and clean. I don't know why we got this interior color. I'm so confused, but I'm sure they haven't seen the interior yet, huh? From the last video, a little bit, right? A little bit. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait, guys. Put you on a tease, but we'll do something else first. Here's the spec sheet, stock. Damn, why is the camera so off? So, completely stock. He put Type R because there's no car yet available. Here's a camber, 1.4, 1.8, 2, and 1.3. Damn, it's so off, Tony. Why is it so off? Yeah, so I guess this is close enough spec, but can you adjust it evenly when we do it afterwards? I totally forgot. Even on our Type R, there was only adjustments for toe. There weren't any camber adjustments, so very interesting. So this is the specs. If you guys want to pause the video and see it, there you go. By the way, Tony does amazing alignments. He aligned all the cars, all the friends and family's cars, and a lot of customers' cars too. So actually, he's working on it right now. This is our friend's C63S AMG. This is probably the same price as this, by the way. For the, you know, in all the Prelude videos, you can see a lot of comparison about prices, okay? Because the #1 controversy, like, about this car is about the damn price and the horsepower. But yeah, 43K MSRP. We'll go MSRP. I'm not even gonna go with the 60,000 markup. But MSRP 43, used, you pay 40. How many horsepower? 500. 200 horsepower on that thing, Tony. 5 something? Yeah. Like 450? 450? I mean, anyways, double the power, same price. Rear-wheel drive AMG, you know? But different car. See, I haven't talked about the details about this car yet, but we'll go into another video. We're gonna give you some B-rolls and, oh, specs. Let me just tell you the specs real quick. 20mm, 1-inch drop. Spring rates, we set I think six in the front and 5 in the back. So very curious to see how this rides. It should be a little bit stiffer because the stock actually rides really soft, even in the R mode too, or not even R mode, S mode. Bruh. But yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy some B-rolls, and then we'll link back up and see how the car looks. I'm sure, have they seen the stock? Yeah, this is, all right, guys, this is how stocky as it gets, okay? I mean, if you want to look at some pictures, you'll see it's a big-ass wheel gap and, you know, tucked wheels, so enjoy. All right, guys, we're gonna take a break. In the meantime, we have one of the R&D team members. She's here to scan the car. So we're developing the front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, trunk spoiler, and a bunch of stuff. Window visors, oh, there's so much stuff. So I'm sure, guys, real quick, she already finished the rear end of this. So we just, yeah, she scanned this, and then after this, if you're curious, oh my God, I don't know how to, I don't know how to touch this. I ain't gonna touch it anymore. But pretty much after this phase, we send it off to our other team, like 3 other guys, and they'd be like developing like, you know, design and stuff. And then we'll get the item and we test fit it, and then we should go into mass production. So a little behind the scene. She's working on the front right now, so let's check it out. Yeah, so as you can see, the Prelude actually has a stock lip extension. That's hella hideous, by the way, if you look online. Yeah, so we're scanning everything on the bottom. We're gonna make a nice, it's gonna be a 3-piece lip, guys. So something strong using our new poly hybrid material, and then I don't know how the design's gonna look like, but I'm excited for this. And now, Jared's finished with this side and the rears, just waiting on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the 20mm spacers. Actually done one side already, just to test it on. So I've been like sitting here for the past hour and a half trying to calculate the wheel size, because this is technically, the stock wheels, if you don't know, are 19 by 8.5 plus 60, super high offset. So now we're going to a, 40 offset. 19.5, 40. I'm looking for the right set of wheels to go with the drop that we're gonna have on. So I'm gonna wait until we settle everything down first, when it's done, with the spacers, and then I'll play around with the wheel fitment. So we'll get in that to like video way later. We're actually jumping really ahead right now because we're supposed to be doing a bunch of other videos first. But yeah, let's just continue this. Anyways, if you're doing the spacers, watching this 20mm 7071, the best aluminum we have, super strong, high quality stuff. I'll link everything in the bottom below if you have Prelude. I doubt anyone have a Prelude yet, but if you're watching this a year later or 6 months later, these are it, and I'll link everything below. Yeah, 95 pounds torque, all these on. If you don't know how to put this on, I will show you right now. By the way, we keep borrowing Tony's gun. He got mad at me. I'm just kidding, because Tony's being very nice. I'm gonna buy him lunch tomorrow. So we actually bought our own gun because we lost the attachment on ours, and this is like so convenient. So anyways, guys, so you literally slide by your spacer, okay, grab the provided lug nuts, and then you're gonna use this on your factory studs, and then you just blow everything down. Make sure you tighten everything. And then when you do this, make sure you don't use the gun right away. Give it a couple spins, or else you're gonna cross thread this, and then you're gonna be very, very sad because it's gonna take off the factory studs and take a long time. And always do it in a star formation. And then after this, we torque it to 95 pounds, put the wheels back on, 95 pounds, and we're good to go. We are done installing. Actually, Jerry just finished putting everything on. Thanks to Tony to help us out. So, by the way, if you need suspension install, hit up Ely Wraps. So I'm excited. I have the spacers on already, as you can see. It's kind of flush. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Final specs, 1 inch all around. Damn, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. We're the first one in the world to lower a Prelude and spacers. Low key though, I'm not a big fan of stock wheels, but this is gonna look good. Stock wheels, yeah. We also swapped out our wheel locks to the non-wheel locks, just the regular, because it's a pain in the ass with the locks. All right, guys, moment of truth. E-brake is up. Oh shit! Yo, who the f is that? What the? By the way, this is the guy that makes your overlays, guys. All the AFE overlays for this guy. He's about to make love to the headlight right now. Oh yeah, look at that angle. Can't wait to apply some. All right, guys, here it is. Holy moly, that looks good. Wow, wow. Yeah, definitely. I feel like the Fitment could be. No, it's good. You don't want it. I think 20 is good. I think 20 is good, yeah. It's good enough. I don't, as like not gonna rub for sure. Wow, beautiful, guys. So this is a 1 inch drop all around. Let's go get a side view real quick.
I'm not sure if you're allowed to park here.
Oh shit. Hey, Jared, tell him what happened.
Yeah, so we started driving to go test drive it, and then we started hearing the wobble, the wheel wobbling against the hub. And I just remember that he never took the wheels.
Hey, we got too excited. We got way too excited. Can you imagine the wheel fell off? Holy shit.
Yeah, that's okay. The wheel didn't fall off.
Yeah.
What did I forget?
Holy shit. All right, guys, that was damn, that would have been really bad. So this happens when you get too excited. That was a workout too. My arm's kind of cramping up. I literally like just tying it with the impact gun, but I didn't even tie it all the way. I just kind of click, you know, and then we heard all that noise. Good job, Jerry, for catching it. Or it's been really terrible. All right, guys, we are in comfort mode.
No more sounds.
One more sound. We usually test on the bumpiest road right here. Oh, it feels much stiffer, Jerry.
Handles better? Oh, we need alignment.
Yeah, we need alignment. Okay, let's see the ride quality.
Let's see.
This is...
No kidding.
So this is comfort mode. Very good. The car naturally, by the way guys, is very soft suspension. So with the new spring ray, yeah, I have the correct numbers, 5.5 in the front and 5 in the rear. So very similar to a Type R.
Yeah.
Not bad. Normally on a WS, we're bouncing everywhere. Especially in the Type R 2, we like bounce everywhere on the Swift springs. Oh, this is good. Whoa.
Oh, Jesus.
Whoa. All right, now we're gonna put it in sport mode.
So suspension gets stiffer.
Super stiff now, so I'm gonna go
U-turn?
make a U-turn, yes. Oh, much stiffer. Much stiffer. Again, this is like the worst roll possible to test on, and we always do it on this road, even after all the suspension we saw too, to hear any weird noises and stuff like that. So yeah, good to go. Feels very good. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this car handles great. I'm not supposed to like, you know, talk about this yet, but it's coming, guys, okay? The 5 good things and bad things we're gonna do on this car. I'm very excited for you guys. Oh, downshift.
Oh, that's all
Dude,
engine sound.
all engine sound fake.
So yeah, fake.
It's all fake, guys, yeah, but it feels, I'm not gonna say too much, bro.
Oh, shit.
What is that? Damn. Yeah, we're done, guys. The fitment is amazing, especially with the 20 mil spacer. All right, guys, we are done. The test ride went smooth. The car looks 10 times better. I mean, we barely saw the car. It's literally the second day we did this. So I only saw the car stock for a day, but you know me, I can't have my car like with a bad finger gap, 4 finger gap, it was like 4.3, I don't even know. But here it is, guys, the AFD Sport Springs, 1-inch drop, 5.5 and 5 in the back spring rates. These are dual spring rates, so very comfortable, especially on R mode. And this is what we did on the last Type R2. We had a Swift before and it was super stiff, so we made our own springs, and now with the dual rate, it's super comfortable. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Also 20 mil spacers, so perfect. I think it's a perfect setup for the OEM Plus. I am gonna get wheels for sure. I already like kind of shopping already for the past hour, so I might pick up a set of wheels tonight, but I won't show you guys till later because I still have a lot of videos to do on this car. Give you guys a proper review on the vehicle, but before I do that, I gotta make the car look kind of nice, you know? But damn, looks good, guys. Let me know what you guys think, but that's it for today's Prelude video. Hope you enjoyed it. On the next video, we will be going over the specs and the driving experience on this 200 horsepower, $60,000 marked up Prius. All right, guys, catch you guys next time. Peace.